Okay, the next example is in condensation polymerization in terms of polyamides, the third one, nylon 2, nylon 6. In nylon 2, nylon 6, there are two different monomeric units. The first one is glycine and the second one is aminocaproic acid. Both compounds, both monomeric units are called amino acid. The first amino acid is glycine. These two amino acids which are combined together to form a compound that is nylon 2 nylon 6. It is a formation of polyamide compounds. See that the reaction. In the reaction, the glycine in the compound that is nylon 2, there are two carbon atoms. 2 stand for two carbon atoms, 6 stands for 6 carbon atoms. In glycine, there are two carbon atoms. Two carbon atoms in these two compounds are amino acid. Amino acid means a compound contain amino group as well as carboxylic acid group. Both groups are present in the same compound. In the same compound, the first compound is glycine. Glycine contains two carbon atom, and the second one is aminocaproic acid. There are six carbon atom. In the sixth carbon atom, one compound is acid, one is amino group. The same condensation polymerization, removal of water molecule. In the removal of water molecule, OH group from acid and hydrogen from amine, then removal of H2O, and the compound you are getting, that is nylon 2 nylon 6. So once again, nylon 2 nylon 6, it is a copolymer because of two different monomeric units, and these two compounds are amino acid. In the formation of nylon 2 nylon 6, removal of water molecule, it is called condensation polymerization. Okay, then come to the next one, the next topic, that is polyester. In the polyester, the formation of polyester when acid combine with alcohol then form ester plus water molecule. The formula of polyester is C double bond O. It's a functional group, that is ester C double bond O. In the formation of polyester, the first example is Dacron or Terline. It is a copolymer because of two different monomeric units which combine to form a compound. Dacron or Terline, the two compounds are, one is ethylene glycol, and the second one is terephthalic acid. Terephthalic acid means it is 1,4 benzene 1,4-dioic acid. Okay, in the formation of Dacron or Terline, these two compounds are combined together in terms of condensation polymerization, removal of water molecule, and form a compound Terline or Dacron. In the removal of water molecule, see that it's a very interesting example. Removal of OH from acid, removal of OH from acid, and removal of hydrogen from alcohol, then you will get the compound Terline or Dacron. Ethylene glycol, that is CH2OH, and terephthalic acid is benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. Okay,